The following message was transmitted by the Florida Emergency Management Agency. A unknown creature which is called Green Man Green Man has now roaming around cities like Pensacola, Jacksonville, Miami, Key West, Tampa, Gainesville, St. Augustine, West Palm Beach, Daytona Beach, Lake City, Kerrsville, Milton, mm, Port St. Joe, and all other cities. The governor of Florida has now been in a shelter. Res, Residents who live in these cities should be evacuated now and seek shelter. Stay tuned on this local media outlets for more updates on this dangerous situation. Beep, beep.